Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. What I'm trying to do here with the series is to collect all the world champions from 1950 to date, and we're going to try to do that with less than 2,000 pounds. So here's what we got in a post this week. And Ayrton Senna, 1988, his first world championship. Following with a strong 87 season, he beat Alain Prost to the world champion. Obviously, this is the Minichamps edition. And the second year, well, fireworks started between the two teammates. Alain Prost won in '89. Huge scandal in the last race in Suzuka. I really like both of these cars. Both of these are Minichamps. They will cost a liver and a half. This one is Ayrton Senna 1990. Prost has left Ferrari, and Senna again did a controversial move in Japan for good measure. I think it was in the first corner they both got out, and he won the world championship. And he repeated in 1991 a much better season, but Senna's mind was already out. He wanted to go to Williams already, but Nigel Mansell was there, and then the following year Alain Prost was signed. So yeah, really good pickup. I really like those Senna cars. We had to have them in Minichamps version. Next up, another controversial season, 1994. This guy, Michael Schumacher, beat Damon Hill in the last race with a help of a racing incident, as it was ruled out then. This car is also Minichamps. It's part of a Michael Schumacher edition. It looks really good. We have these issues with older Minichamps model. Literally the decals are peeling off. Gonna try to fix it, but honestly, we spend so much money on these ones, and I think they're worth it. I'll do some repair jobs. This is the 1995. Well, he won it fair and square. No issues this time. He had no rival. And we also got in a post this. Wow, it's our second full tobacco livery, original issue by Hot Wheels. This is his first world championship with Ferrari. The famous one where he says, "Give a kiss to Corina. I love her so much." And obviously we miss Michael, and hopefully he will get better soon. Keep fighting, Michael. In the meantime, we're gonna keep this one in the display cabinet. Moving on to Baby Schumi. This is Sebastian Vettel, and we have all of his 4 world championship cars. This one is the Abu Dhabi edition. It's quite limited edition. This one, I don't remember which one is this one, but it's also a race winner, 2011. Well, this is a cash grab from Minichamps. It's actually the 2011 car with the 2012 livery. We're gonna have to keep it because 2012 cars, Sebastian Vettel 2012 cars, are pretty hard to find. And I'm happy to have got this one, a limited edition of him winning in Bahrain, I think. And he has that special helmet, that guy that jumped from space. I don't know what his name, but it was a nice tribute. So we have all Sebastian Vettel's Red Bull winning cars. His only world championships. He retired. He had a good stint with Ferrari, and we all know what happened with Aston Martin. So again, a really good pickup. We're gonna put them in the display cabinet. I'm really happy with where we are so far. We're definitely going to complete the collection. I got more posts today. I have to open all the boxes, and I'll keep you guys updated in the next one. Probably in the next couple of days, that video will be out as well. So I'm really curious of how much money I spent so far. Oh, I think I dropped something. Oh dear. Yeah, it's fine. Cool. It's Alain Prost. Ooh, now it's a bit wobbly. Anyway, it should be fine. So happy seeing all these cars filling up the display cabinet. I think it was a good choice. And thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.